Hey everybody, it's Kayla Butler, your favorite real estate agent, and look at this stranger.
It's me.
You guys, it's been a long time since I did a video with LaShawn. I don't think I've done any for 2019.
Nope.
No? No? Okay, well, none for 2019, but you guys, we have a really good video that we're going to do today for you, and it's going to be, should you shop around for a loan when you're trying to get pre-qualified to purchase a house? And I think LaShawn can really take the time to answer this question and give you all that good meat that you need to know when you want this question answered. So, LaShawn, what do you think? Do you think buyers should definitely shop around different mortgage lenders? And if so, how many different lenders should they talk to?
I would definitely say yes. I think you should shop around because no lender is the same. Every lender is going to have a different loan program. Every lender has a different process. There's different requirements to qualify for the loan. So definitely comparing your options, comparing rates, comparing fees will only help you. So talking to at least 3 mortgage lenders, in my opinion, I think is the best route to go. So that way you can get an idea of what you're truly eligible for, what, like I said, what they can offer you. You have banks, you have mortgage brokers, they're all different. And so depending on your particular scenario, one may be able to offer you something than the other. Mm-hmm. So I would definitely shop around. I think one of the biggest questions I get is that if I go shop around from this mortgage lender to the other, they're going to keep pulling my credit. Isn't this going to hurt my score? So what I tell people is that credit inquiries only account for 10% of your score. So, and every time a mortgage lender does pull your credit, yes, it is a hard inquiry, but it's not going to have that much of a variance on your score, a variance on your score there. And also, you have a 30 to 45 day window to have mortgage inquiries where it does not affect your score. So long as you're within that time frame, you can shop around, compare lenders, compare rates, compare loan programs, so that you can better be prepared on what you're eligible for.
Okay, so you said at least 3.
I would say at least 3.
Okay, and I know that you did touch on the fact that people do talk about that hard inquiry.
Yes.
So it's okay, you guys. Don't be afraid.
No, don't be afraid. And sometimes what I suggest to people to do as well is don't skip out on housing counseling agencies as well. They can do a soft pull on your credit where it's not that abrasive and it doesn't affect your score because it's a soft pull. So you could sometimes go to them to get an actual mortgage credit, score, and don't, stay away from Credit Karma. No, not necessarily.
We don't like Credit Karma.
Yeah, don't do that to get an idea. But you can also, go to annualcreditreport.com and at least look at your credit report. Mm-hmm. You can pay to get your scores, and those scores are pretty accurate as well. But you can at least see what's reporting out there on you. But just sit down and meet with a real estate agent, talk to a loan officer, so that way you can at least start the process and see where you are. Mm-hmm. Most real estate agents has a list of preferred or referral partners that they work with, so they should be able to refer you to some type of loan officer to at least get started. Mm-hmm. Most people have a bank account, so sometimes you can just start with who you bank with as well to kind of get an idea of where you are, and then compare that to what somebody else may be able to offer you.
Okay. Well, is there anything else you think that you want to add when there are shopping lenders?
Sometimes if you make sure when you're shopping lenders, you're going to be comparing apples to apples. I think that's the biggest thing. You can call a lender and be like, hey, what's your rate? Or hey, what's this? But if you don't know the type of loan that they're quoting you on or what type of loan you're eligible for, then you may not necessarily be getting the right information or truly comparing apples to apples. Always ask for a loan estimate when you are being pre-qualified or pre-approved. So that way when you're shopping, you can truly see what rate somebody quoted you, what fees you're going to have, because a lender or bank's fees is going to differ from a mortgage broker fees, and their rates are going to differ as well. And when you're out here in this competitive market, as Kayla can tell you, and you're bidding on housings and you need closing costs, if this lender fees is higher and things like that, sometimes that can make or break your deal. Mm-hmm. So just making sure you're getting a loan estimate, you can compare the rate and compare the fees.
Yes. Well, you guys, I hope that helped you out a whole lot as far as shopping around for lenders. You don't want to just constrict yourself and just get one loan officer to look at your information. You do want to see, because like LaShawn said, different loan officers offer different products.
Correct.
Some can do a little bit better as far as down payment assistance and as far as anything else you may need when you're qualifying for a home loan. So we want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. You know how I like to keep my videos short, sweet, and to the point. And if you would like to see if you qualify today to purchase a house, please contact me. My phone number is 843-471-0321. And you can also reach out to LaShawn by, how can they call you or email you or whatever?
You can call Kayla and she can get in contact with you, or you can find me on Facebook. I am on Facebook as well. Or you can call me. My phone number is 843-572-6203. I do have a new office number.